Just to kind of go over the whole thing, we got the heavy Chevy. We got the big Cadillac. We got the 90. We got the truck, the 84 Chevy Silverado. Short wheelbase. Pulling it up, doing the damn thing. Just like that there. We'll zoom in on it. Let's take a look at the 24 now. 24 sitting up fat like this there. And then we got the Crown Vic tour. Pulling up the rear. Poking real tough, y'all. Like that there. Poking.